Hello, my friends. Today's video is about alone but not lonely. It explains how being alone does not have to mean feeling sad or lonely. This video takes you on a thrilling journey through the hidden corners of solitude, where being alone becomes an adventure rather than a prison. You'll discover the surprising power that awakens when you face silence head-on and learn how a single moment of stillness can unlock dreams you never knew existed. But beware, this isn't just a calm walk in the park. Shadows of doubt and whispers of loneliness will loom around every turn, daring you to turn back. Will you flee from those eerie feelings, or will you harness them to find a new kind of strength? As the screen darkens and the music swells, you'll feel your pulse quicken, wondering what lies beyond the next breath. Stay with us, because by the end of this ride, you'll realize that alone does not have to mean lonely. Have you ever felt alone, but somehow not lonely? It is a special feeling. When you are alone, you are by yourself. No one is around. It might sound sad, but it doesn't have to be. Being alone can be one of the best feelings in the world if you learn how to enjoy it. You can be happy, calm, and peaceful when you are alone. You can also learn about yourself, dream big dreams, and grow stronger. This story is about how you can be alone, but not lonely. When you think about being alone, what do you imagine? Many people think being alone means being lonely. They feel sad and empty inside when they are alone. But this is not true for everyone. Sometimes people choose to be alone. They like it. They find joy in spending time with themselves. Being alone means you have time to think. When there are no distractions, you can hear your own thoughts clearly. You can listen to your heart and understand what you want. It is like having a quiet room inside your mind where you can relax. Think about a time when you were alone. Maybe you were sitting in your room, or walking in a park, or sitting by a window, watching the rain. Were you happy or sad? Did you feel scared or calm? Sometimes, being alone can feel scary because we are not used to it. But when you learn to accept it, being alone can become your best friend. Many people feel scared when they are alone because they think no one loves them. They feel lonely because they believe they need others to feel happy. This is normal. Humans are social creatures, and we need friends and family. But the truth is, being alone and feeling lonely are two very different things. Loneliness is a feeling of sadness and emptiness. It comes from wanting connection but not having it. Being alone is just being by yourself. It is a choice or a situation. You can be alone and feel peaceful, or you can be with many people and still feel lonely. Fear of being alone happens because people don't know how to enjoy their own company. They depend on others to feel good, but this can cause problems. If you always need someone else to be happy, you might feel lost when you are alone. The key is to learn how to be comfortable with yourself. You can start by spending small moments alone and doing things you enjoy. Over time, you will realize that being alone is not bad at all. It can be wonderful. To be alone but not lonely, you need to discover what makes you happy when you are by yourself. Maybe you like reading books, drawing, writing, or playing music. Maybe you like walking in nature, watching the clouds, or thinking about your dreams. Try to spend time alone doing things you love. It might be difficult at first. You might feel bored or restless, but don't give up. Keep trying. When you spend time alone, you learn about yourself. You find your passions and interests. You build your own world inside your mind. When you enjoy your own company, you don't need others to feel happy. You become your own best friend. This is a powerful feeling. It makes you strong and independent. One way to enjoy being alone is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment. You notice your breath, your body, and your thoughts without judging them. When you practice mindfulness, you feel calm and peaceful. You stop worrying about the past or the future. You just enjoy being. Try this. Sit quietly for a few minutes every day. Close your eyes. Take deep breaths. Notice how your body feels. Notice the sounds around you. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. After some time, you will feel more relaxed and happy being alone. When you are alone, you have the chance to use your imagination. Your mind is free to wander and dream. Imagination is like a magic door to new worlds. You can travel anywhere you want. You can create stories, solve problems, or think about your future. Many great ideas and inventions come from moments of solitude. When you are alone, your brain works in special ways. You can connect ideas, think deeply, and find answers. You don't need to be afraid of your thoughts when you are alone. Sometimes your mind will be quiet. Sometimes it will be full of ideas. Both are good. Your imagination helps you learn and grow. Try to spend some time each day imagining your dreams. What do you want to be? Where do you want to go? What makes you happy? Write these dreams down or draw pictures. This will help you feel excited about being alone. You are using your time to build your future. Being alone can make you strong. It teaches you to rely on yourself. When you are alone, you learn to solve problems by yourself. You learn to be patient and calm. You build confidence because you know you can enjoy life without needing others all the time. Strength from solitude is not about being tough or hard. It is about being gentle with yourself. It is about understanding your feelings and accepting who you are. Sometimes, people avoid being alone because they don't want to face their feelings. But feelings are like waves in the ocean. They come and go. When you learn to accept your feelings, you become peaceful inside. Try to spend time alone when you feel sad or confused. Instead of running away from your feelings, sit quietly and feel them. Tell yourself, it's okay to feel this way. After a while, the feelings will become lighter. You will feel stronger. When you are alone, you notice simple things that you may not see when you are busy with others. You can watch the sunrise, listen to birds singing, feel the wind on your skin, or smell the fresh air. These small moments bring happiness and peace. Nature is a great friend when you are alone. It teaches you to be patient and calm. Watching a flower grow or a tree sway in the wind can make you feel connected to the world. You don't need to do big things to enjoy being alone. Sometimes just sitting quietly and breathing is enough. You learn to appreciate life in small ways. This makes your heart full and your mind clear. Try to spend time outside alone. Notice what you see, hear, and feel. You will be surprised how happy these moments can make you. Even if you learn to enjoy being alone, sometimes loneliness may visit you. This is normal. Everyone feels lonely at times. The important thing is not to let loneliness take over your life. When you feel lonely, remember it is just a feeling. It will pass. You can do things to feel better. Call a friend, write in your diary, listen to music, or do something creative. Also, try to understand why you feel lonely. Is it because you want to connect with others? Is it because you miss someone? When you understand your feelings, you can find ways to feel better. Remember, loneliness does not mean you are weak. It means you are human. You can be alone and still feel connected to the world through your thoughts, dreams, and nature. Being alone does not mean you have to be separated from others forever. It means you know how to enjoy yourself when you are by yourself. This makes your relationships with others better. When you spend time alone, you learn about your needs and feelings. You become more understanding and patient with others. You are not afraid to be yourself. Good relationships are built when two people are strong alone, but choose to be together. You don't depend on others to feel happy. You share happiness and love freely. So being alone helps you become a better friend, son, daughter, or partner. You bring your full self to relationships. Being alone is a chance to love yourself. Self-love means accepting who you are, with your strengths and weaknesses. It means being kind to yourself. When you love yourself, you don't need others to tell you you are good enough. You believe it deep inside. This makes you happy and peaceful. You can practice self-love by talking kindly to yourself. When you make a mistake, don't be harsh. Tell yourself, "It's okay. I am learning." Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Self-love helps you be alone without feeling lonely. You become your own best friend. You carry a warm light inside you wherever you go. To be alone but not lonely, it helps to create a special space for yourself. This can be a corner in your room, a garden bench, or a place outside where you feel safe and calm. Your space is where you can relax, think, and dream. You can decorate it with things you like: books, pictures, music, or plants. Having your own space teaches you to enjoy quiet moments. It becomes a place where you recharge and feel peaceful. Try to spend time in your special space every day. Use it to read, write, or just be still. This will help you love being alone. Silence is a gift you discover when you are alone. It might feel strange at first because we live in a noisy world, but silence helps you hear your own voice. In silence, you can think clearly. You can feel calm and relaxed. You can listen to your heart and dreams. Try to spend some time each day in silence. Turn off the TV, phone, and music. Sit quietly and enjoy the peaceful sounds around you. Silence teaches you to be patient and calm. It makes your mind clear and your heart happy. Being alone but not lonely is a beautiful skill. It means you enjoy your own company. You find peace and joy inside yourself. You learn to love yourself and dream big dreams. It is not always easy, but it is worth it. When you are alone and happy, you become strong and free. You can face challenges with courage. You can build good relationships with others because you are complete by yourself. Remember, being alone is not a punishment. It is a gift to know yourself, to grow, and to shine your light. So next time you are alone, smile and say, "I am alone but not lonely." Enjoy the quiet. Listen to your heart. Dream big. You are never really alone when you have yourself.